viewers. Yeah, man. They are Golden Spring. I'll do some look of food video and food now. Showing what I go on a Golden Spring, some spots. Must be spots in Jamaica. Yeah, man. So we'll take you across, showing what I go on. That's the place to be. And we are here with the man himself. Yeah, man. We are here with the man himself.
Good morning, good morning. My name is Clement Glenn. I am the owner of Nunu'S Smokehouse, a Nunu'S global smoker. I'm here today to introduce you folks to the restaurant. So right now entering serving here at Nunu'S Smokehouse. This is our serving area right here.
See all of your chicken salad right here. We're in the kitchen now. All of the magic work, guys.
This is where we do our prep. This is Anne-Marie Hunter right here. She's the manager of Nunu'S Smokehouse, and that's Rihanna.
Yes.
Rihanna is our assistant manager. Right. The type of food we have today.
Yes. Let's see here.
For breakfast. Come tell them what you have for breakfast. Tell them what the breakfast is.
So we have fried onion, we have barbecue chicken, and then we have stew pork ready. And then we have cold food here ready.
Some of the best cold food, guys. Best cold food.
And we also do boiled food. And we also have peanut porridge. And then this is our chicken sauce.
Of our kitchen. Anne-Marie Hunter, that's our top chef right there.
Anne-Marie, say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Talk about the chicken.
Yeah, this is the chicken, fried chicken. And we have chicken soup here. Yeah. And we're doing our sweet and sour chicken here. Yeah, that's our sweet and sour chicken. And we're doing our coleslaw here.
This is how it's made.
This is how it's made.
Yes.
We have cabbage,
Coleslaw.
cucumber, yeah, our coleslaw.
You understand?
Our main dish.
Okay.
So,
Coleslaw.
our coleslaw is one of our biggest sellers. I know you probably tasted some of the food on the road because we also have that smoker, the Nunu'S mobile smoker. Sometimes we have the soup and the food that we use on the road is prepared by this lady in this kitchen along with Mr. Neville right here.
And you process your own meats and stuff.
Yes, yes. We have a farm where we raise a lot of our vegetables and we raise pork, chicken, and we try to. The original idea was to do organic thing, farm to table concept. So far, we have not perfected that 100% yet. So what we do sometimes we go to the country and we buy our beef. We get beef in from the country and we have the whole processing plant, as you saw, and we process the meat and prepare for our kitchen, prepare for the room.
Alright, so show us a little bit.
I don't know if you looked at the sweet and sour. Later on, you guys will catch the Sunday. I know they got the cars on this morning. Right? You know how that tastes. This is where we do our pork. It's our pork drum. This is where we prepare our pork. We do barbecue ribs, we do jerk pork, we do barbecue pigtail, we do a lot of different types of barbecue, but whatever is pork related is done right here. Okay. Over here is where we do our chicken.
Okay.
Let me see if I make it on the grill right now, yes. Have some people over there show on the grill.
Very nice. Wow. And where is the top chef for this?
Mr. Neville! This is the barbecue fried chicken, Nunu'S barbecue fried chicken. This is the chef that prepares it. I gotta get him out of there, he's a little bit shy. Come, Mr. Neville, please speak about what you're doing. Tell him the steps. Prepare the chicken.
A special sauce for the boss. Look about.
Yeah. So remind me about their location again. Remind viewers about their location.
Oh, we're located in Golden Spring Square, to the left of the Total gas station. All the buildings that are yellow and green are related to this business. It's the last yellow and green building before exiting towards Temple Hall, on the right hand side.
Okay.
Now this is our area where we do like preparation for the meats, like and the prepping. Prepping is done over here. This is Andrea.
Okay.
Alright, you have a. Okay, so you want to see our storage now where we do our like meat cuts and stuff like that?
Yes.
So when we first started, we used to be subject to a lot of robberies, a lot of break-ins. So you have to excuse some of these gates. And we have to secure the compound. This is our storage area right here.
Whole room, meat side.
Where we cut our own meat. The cutter is not at work today, he comes to work on Tuesdays. But this is where we cut and prep our own meat. This is where we store our vegetables. Our meat, this is our meat storage area in here.
Own provision. So here where they would all normally cut in meats and all those stuff. Official thing, guys.
Different
Official.
slice of meat.
Yes.
That is our storage area.
Yeah. And this now is the official storage area.
It's our meat storage area. Can that work here though?
Yes, man.
Our meat storage area. Sometimes when we bring in pigs, we bring 30 pigs at a time, 5, 6 cows. That's how we do it.
So basically everything is here, guys. Porks, fishes.
This is all that's left right now. We go back out and bring in tonight. So that we bring a fresh batch of pork.
And this is a one-stop shop. Even half an hour out of your time, must stop. Foods are good. Presentation key. Yeah, and staff are all nice people. We're here a little. So where we are going next?
I want to show them where the eating area, the cafe, where you can get drinks and stuff. Yeah.
So we are going back to view somewhere. So the eating area, lounge. I know by now you guys mouth are running water. Some of the best chicken. Wow.
Want a little piece of taste? Give him a little
Yes.
piece of taste. Thank you, sir. You want a piece of taste?
I've told you.
After purchasing their food, they will go up the stairs. This is our cashier area. This is our order here right here. This is where we place our order. Cashier is right here. This is our board. This is what we have for breakfast. Peanut porridge, chicken soup for today, salt, mackerel, cabbage and saltfish, curry mutton, liver, cowfoot and bean, stewed pork, fried chicken, sweet and sour chicken, barbecue chicken, and barbecue fried chicken. Barbecue fried chicken is what you just seen
so perfect.
my counterpart here sample.
Well, if you have everything right, go that way, I'm going to prepare everything.
Once you get your food, this is the area that you sit. And you can eat up here, as you see that gentleman is doing.
So guys, we're upstairs at the eating area.
We're gonna go over side of the town from this point. You can see both sides of the town.
So I noticed that you have a little kids here and a little internet cafe. What was your motivation behind all of this?
Okay, so part of my observation was that as I used to be in New York. I lived in New York for like about 40 years. But this is where right here, where I grew up. I grew up in this house right here.
Yeah.
So when I would visit, I would observe that the area is really in the crack. There are some broken buildings. This building used to look like that. It was in disrepair. That building used to look like that building. So slowly, we're trying to rebuild the community. But part of the reason why we did the cafe was that there was a lot of children who didn't have any place to go to do photocopies for their homework, the printouts to do research. So we decided to build this area right here. Presently, what we do have, we have after school, about 16 children. A teacher that comes like at 3 o'clock, Monday to Thursday, and she works with them and help them to build up their reading and writing and arithmetic skills. You know, so as you can see, this is the area where you can acquire a drink with your meal, and
Ice
cream, and all the little treats that kids like.
Yeah, so guys, here's the internet area.
So this is where we have the children come and do their research, or if an adult wants to get some information, and that's our printing area right back here. So they would do their research here, and the printer, right, they would print up the information that they need. So that's basically what this up here is about.
So, next question.
This is the printing room right here. And this is our bathroom facilities for the people back here. We have 2 bathrooms. So this town does not afford us the necessary income to keep this operation going. So often what we do is we have a mobile unit that we use that we are in Portmore on a Friday and a Saturday night. We're in Portmore on a Friday and a Saturday night, hoping to get income so we can bring back into the community so we can continue the work that we're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Chris.
Cool, man. Oh, nice to meet you. Well, I'm a part of the team on the road on Port Morning. I do most of the prepping and the festivals, the steam fish, whatever you need, I can give it to you on that spot there, innit? So otherwise, this is what we do as a team together. You know, this is my elderly person who takes care of the business and make sure everything's all right for the community. And the best thing that we're doing is for the kids, so they can be a brighter future for them, never knowing what they may turn out to be. Understand what I'm saying? So it's a good development for the community and for the people that's living within the community itself.
I know a lot of people would see this and want to reach out. Where could they reach you guys?
Well, mainly we're based in Golden Springs, St. Andrew, Kingston, and
Social media platform.
social media platform. We're getting there. It's on its way developing now, but there's somebody else that's more in charge of that part. He's not here at the minute, but we could get to introduce to him later on.
Instagram page.
Phone number. Well, there's a phone number you can reach us at. Just bear with me 1 second and I can get you that phone number.
Okay, so we do a little more tour.
Well, the phone number you can reach us at is 298-6468. Okay? I'm trying to find the Instagram address right now. Oh, for people who want like to do PC time, these are the prices. And the printing, the price of the printing. And our Instagram address is Nunu'S Cafe 2023@gmail.com.
Yes. So we're gonna see some more.
Yeah, and we also do catering, so if anybody's interested, if there's any events, funeral, wedding, whatever there is, we're available. You can still contact us at that number that we've provided earlier for you. So catering, whatever it is, wedding, you know, anniversary, whatever the occasion, we will be there to you to provide a service. So you can find us at Nunu'S Smokehouse, as the saying, website has been provided for you, mobile number will be provided for you on the screen right here where I'm pointing my finger. So all the allocations, it's all right. You know, so make your choice with us and we can have a bright future together.
My grandmother's, so this house right here is where I grew up. And my grandmother, her name was Ethelyn Glenn, but we called her Nunu. And my grandfather, his name was Imenas Glenn. So the restaurant is named after Nunu. It's called Nunu'S Smokehouse. And the mobile unit is also named after Nunu. It's called Nunu'S Mobile Smoke. So on like I said previously, on a Friday night, we are located in Portmore, right next to what's her name? Ken's Wildflower.
Wildflower.
You can find us by using the toll, getting off on the back road, coming down to the location at Ken's Wildflower. We're right at the stoplight immediately after passing Ken's Wildflower. We're like 2 stoplights down from the roundabout.
So you find us there from Friday nights.
7 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning.
So as you can see, guys, children are here enjoying their meal and everything there. And it's a good place to be. I tell you, it's a must stop. I want to see over there.
Over the house?
Yes.
Okay. Someone's renting it right now for a babysitter.
Okay.
I mean, you can walk over there. You can walk over there if you want.
So after we get that.
All right?
We also have a bar, but it's not open at this time. So everything is here, guys. Every single thing is here. So you're not bored when you talk. Okay, get a shot of the logo here. Numbers and everything. So there's a lot. We're walking over to the daycare now. Okay, on the internet. Yes.
grew up.
Put your memory lane back in our bit.
But the house wasn't the yard wasn't as concrete as it looks right now. It used to be more grass. We used to have a grapefruit tree right here. I would sit at the grapefruit tree. Hi. We sit at the grapefruit tree, watch the world go by. We didn't have this building right here, this high part. We just built that. That was just constructed since we started the restaurant, just to give the people a place to eat and like to put the internet cafe, you know. But as you can see, we're trying to rebuild. We're trying to make the neighborhood like it used to be. It used to be a really pleasant place to live. I remember such a good time as a little boy growing up. It saddens me to see the decline of the community. So we're doing all we can to get the community. And we're not the only one. We have like Sophia over here who has a hardware, Miracle Hardware. We have Sebastian over there, Sebastian Melanie. He's doing his part over there.
Like a bed and breakfast also. So you can come, if you want to stay by, stop over in the square. There's also a bed and breakfast just right over there. Yellow building. Also there's a building in front of it, but there's a big yellow building over there. And then after that, we supply you with the food that you need. So it's a great way. They got rivers as well. Maybe you want to see the rivers later on. Water's a bit clear now, and some of it's a bit deep, where you can have a nice swim.
How is the nighttime life here in Golden?
Not very high right now. On occasions we have parties, like he has like parties, like huge parties. But every night, the community closes up about 8 o'clock.
Okay.
So there's not a lot of nightlife, but we're looking to bring some nightlife. We're looking to build that community and make the community into a friendly place that people want to come and to really get the community back to what it used to be. When I was growing up, we had a black factory there. We had a wholesale right there. In the back we had golden bakery. And that used to call like about 56 people. So the kind of that business contributed to the lack of income.
So important it is to, like what you were doing, giving back to the community, bringing all these type of things.
Well, to me, that's my purpose. That's what drives me. Because I'm really concerned with the direction of the country. And from my background, I'm on the child ward for righteousness. So I've seen up close what poverty can do. And I also begin to understand that without changing the course from poverty to income, we're not going to be able to do much, right? Now, as far as I'm concerned, we need to focus on our families, and after our families, we need to focus on our communities. We probably might not be so what we do, we just focus on what we can do. Family and community. And right now, Golden Spring community is my most important interest.
So, guys, hear how important it is to be in your community, doing something positive, motivating the people, giving back. And this is the way how you do it. Understand? So, okay. So we are going back up there to wrap up, but it's a must stop. 5 minutes or half an hour at your time. Can't miss out. And we're going to elaborate some more. Let them know you're where again to find you and everything.
Okay, so this might be a commute for you and you might find it a long drive. So what you need to do is stop by us, again like I said, in Portmore, Friday 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning, Friday and Saturdays, and we are like one stoplight right after Ken's Wildflower. Alright.
And guys, we will be doing a follow-up on the Portmore journey to make you guys see all of that, what it's all about. But I can tell you, in for a treat. And with that we say